Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, and in today's video, we are going to be achieving the fastest air-dried wash and go ever. I achieved this fully air-dried wash and go in a little under an hour. So in this video, I'll be partnering with Aquis to bring you my tips and tricks to cut down my air drying time by over 50%. So I'm going to be showing you all of the products I use as well as the Aquis hair turban. And all of this is going to cut down your drying time significantly. So if you guys are interested in how I got this fully air-dried wash and go in under an hour, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I am starting out with freshly washed, soaking wet hair, and from here I am going to apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to add that extra moisture. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using my Innersense Color Radiance Daily Conditioner. So now that I have my base of my leave-in conditioner applied to my soaking wet hair, I'm going to go in with one of my secret weapons for really cutting down on the drying time for my wash and go, and this is my Aquis hair turban. This hair turban has a specially engineered shape which makes it really easy to absorb the water from your hair. This fabric is 80% polyester and 20% nylon, so this is comparable to kind of a dry fit fabric. This towel is going to cut down your drying time by at least 50%, which is really awesome. So whether you're diffusing afterwards or just air drying, this is going to make a huge difference. After putting on this hair turban, this is what it should look like. As you can see, it was super easy to apply, and this is going to save tons and tons of drying time. I have been trying out this hair towel because I have been diffusing like crazy, trying to get my wash and goes to dry faster, but all I've ended up with was a lot of split ends. When your hair is soaking wet, your cuticles are open because it is so full of water. So when you're going to put the diffuser directly on your soaking wet hair, it is really easy to get heat damage, especially if you're using your diffuser on too high of a heat setting. To begin your diffusing process with kind of zapping the excess water out, this is really going to help reduce breakage and reduce heat damage because you're helping to close the cuticle by absorbing that excess water. Alright, so now that we have taken out the hair turban, I'm going to start styling with my very lightweight styling products that I've picked out. Today I'm going to be using my Deva Curl Believe-In, and I am going to be using my Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. If your hair does start to get a little bit too dried out to apply your product during this process, one thing I would recommend is instead of re-wetting your hair, actually re-wet the product in your hand. So for example, I have my Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel in my hand, and I have a spray bottle. This does have a little bit of conditioner. You can use regular water, whatever you want. Instead of re-wetting my hair and kind of setting back all of that drying time that I've already done, I'm going to take my product in my hand, spray a little bit of water, and then rub my hands together. This is going to liquefy the hair product a little bit, and this is going to make it really easy to distribute throughout your hair.
That's good.
My next tip to really cut down the drying time, I'm going to be using clips in my hair, and for this I'm going to be using these Deva clips. What I'm going to be doing is taking these clips and applying them to my roots. This is not only going to cut down on drying time by exposing the roots and helping them get kind of that airflow they need to air dry quickly, but it's also going to give you a lot of volume at the roots by doing this method. So you're going to grab a piece of hair and put the clip in so it stands in straight up. You're going to do this until you get your roots to lift up at the top. This is something my stylist always does when I come in to get my hair done. She always puts these clips. I probably don't do it as good as she does because it does take a lot of practice to really get your roots to lift up, but overall I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so my last tip for cutting down drying time significantly is to finish off your hair with a bit of hairspray. Hairspray naturally has a lot of alcohol content in it. When you apply this and use a diffuser or even air dry, it's really going to cut down the drying time. Alright guys, so it is 6:15 at night. I think my hair is gonna dry super fast, so I'm gonna come back in about an hour and give you guys an update. Hopefully it's completely dry by then. Alright guys, so it is now 7:09, so it has been less than an hour, and these are the results. I still have the clips in, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those out now. I don't know if you can tell when I took those clips out, but my hair is staying in the exact shape that the clip was, and as you can see, there is a lot of volume. So as you guys can see, my hair has tons of volume, and it is about, I would say, 98% dry, and that took me less than an hour. There are a few places, like underneath my hair here at the roots, that are still a little bit damp, but in the front where the clips were, it is 100% dry. I would definitely say it's about 98-99% dry, and this was just in under an hour, which is my record time. So I'm really impressed with how these products worked out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this method works for you to cut down your drying time. I will leave a link to all of the products I used in this video down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.